What is up, you guys? It is your girl Rob, and welcome back to my channel. I just want to say happy Turkey Day. Hope you guys are eating good. I'm not really doing much for Thanksgiving since I can't eat turkey or ham and all that other good stuff, and I ain't cooking, and I ain't go home to my family. So your girl is just here finna go get her hair retwisted. It's been over a month since my last retwist. I am 4 months and a week. I was 4 months on November 16th. I just want to say your girl is ready. Look at it. Look at it. Ooh wee. As you can see, you guys, I'm back at the crib. I got the same style that I got last time. I'm really enjoying it. I love when I get a fresh retwist. So with this retwist, I didn't separate my locks like I should have. So when I got my retwist done today, it was a little painful. My girl was, you know, parting that thing like she always do. And it was a little snappy snapple crackle pop. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, month 4 has been easy breezy. It went by fast. Still loving the journey. Still loving the locks, as you can see. Flourishing. Stay tuned for month 5. And I'm finna color my locks soon. Stay tuned for the next video, you guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And your girl is out. Yeah, I just came on here to show my makeup. Hey, your girl looking too good.